Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create Boolean variable in Python. So if you want to create a Boolean variable in Python, you can by just create a new variable which is uh, profitable and then assign the value. So you can use the equality sign to assign a value in Python, and then you have to write the value true. Okay, now if you want to print this variable, you will see this value. So just going with profitable and click on run. So here we get the result. So in this way you can create Boolean variable in Python. You can also go with like loss equals to false. Okay, now again I'm going with print LOSS and click on run. Okay, so value will be true for profitable and false for the loss. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye bye.